Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Freestyle American English, the place where learning is fun, practical, and real world. Today, we're diving into something that native speakers use all the time, idioms. If you've ever heard of phrases like break the ice or hit the nail on the head and felt confused, don't worry, we've got you covered. What is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of each word. In other words, you can't understand idioms just by translating them word for word.
Idioms often sound strange if you take them at face value, but to native speakers, their meaning is perfectly clear. It's raining cats and dogs. Why are idioms important? Idioms are everywhere in English, in conversation, movies, songs, and even business meetings.
Using idioms helps you sound more fluent and natural. And understanding idioms helps you avoid confusion when talking with native speakers. Let's learn some common idioms. Break the ice. To break the ice means to start a conversation in a comfortable way, especially with someone you don't know well. Example, I told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. 2. Feeling under the weather. When someone says they're feeling under the weather, they mean they're feeling sick. Example, I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. 3. Piece of cake. Something that's very easy to do. Example, that grammar test was a piece of cake. 4. Hit the nail on the head. To describe something exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head when you said we need more practice to improve our English. 5. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens rarely. Example, I only eat fast food once in a blue moon. Here are some quick tips to learn idioms faster. Don't memorize lists. Learn idioms in context. Watch TV shows or movies with subtitles. Write your own sentences using new idioms. Try using one new idiom in conversation each day. Review time, quick quiz. Let's test your knowledge. What does this idiom mean? It's a piece of cake. A, it's delicious. B, it's very easy. C, it's very expensive. Correct. B, it's very easy. Idioms might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll be using them like a native speaker in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real-world English learning tips. Please comment below with your favorite idiom or the one you want to learn next. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep having fun with English.